Hey guys, it's Austin with OutJeeping. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to wrap your sun visor in some new headliner material. Now if you haven't checked out my last video, I showed how to replace a headliner in your Jeep Cherokee, so make sure you check that out. Today we're going to be wrapping this in some nice flannel fleece. So let's get started. Alright, so with these sun visors, basically they open up like a butterfly, and as you can see there's a seam along this whole entire edge. So basically they're held together by clips on the inside, so we're actually going to have to cut this material off. And then when we put the new stuff on, we'll basically bring it together and then it's all going to snap into place. So the first thing I like to do is just pull this little tab out here, take the pliers. Then we're going to set that to the side. And now we're going to take a knife and we're going to make a cut just along the perimeter. We don't want to completely tear this apart because we want to use this as a template so that we can cut the new material out as the same shape as this. So I'm just going to take this. Now another thing with this sun visor is it's on an SE Jeep, so it's basically a very basic model Jeep. It doesn't even have mirrors at all. So some of them are going to have mirrors, which most Cherokees are, and it's just going to be a couple steps more on doing it. Basically have a hole to cut out for the mirror instead, and it looks like there's some sort of plate right here that's taking the place of the mirror. So we don't have to touch that at all. I'm going to cut on the other side. Then it exposes these clips right here. Alright, so now we're just going to take a couple flathead screwdrivers, and on the side that has the clips on it where it's a little bit of a tab, you want to stick the screwdriver in there, kind of twist it. We'll take another one, help pry it apart. You can see one of the clips already came undone, so I'll just work my way around. Here goes that one. That one. Okay, so that side's all out. And then we got this over here. Alright, so as you can see, it's still kind of together, even though we have all these perimeter ones out. I believe there's a few of them right here, 1, 2, 3, and they're going to be along this hinge seam, so we have to undo those ones too. Alright, should be all of them. Open this up. This is going to have like little slots in it, this little pole here that holds it in. But now we should be able to take this old headliner material off. As you can see, they got little needle things going within there just to hold it down. Alright. So if you did have a mirror, which would be right here, you would have a little wire going in, and it's going to have like little connectors, all holding the wire nice and tightly so it goes together without, having any problems. Again, if you have a mirror, it's going to be cut out right here, and the mirror is basically going to be loose. It should be able to pop out easily, so keep that in mind. We're going to set this to the side for now. Now, as you can see, we have our material. We're going to use this as a template. We're going to lay it across the new material and then just use a Sharpie to outline it. Alright, so with this laid on top, we want to make sure we fold out the edges when we start tracing this, like so. Then you can take a Sharpie and start making a line. Alright, now if you had a mirror, obviously you would just draw the cutout that it showed on that. So now we have a nice template where we can just use our scissors and start cutting away. Alright, so with our new material all cut out, I just have the visor sitting right on top. I took out this piece right for now just to give us some more room. So as you can see, what we have to do is fold this over, and we're actually going to put a little bit of glue on there just to help us. But we want to make sure that we don't get this material in with the clips at all. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Sharpie, and wherever there's going to be a clip and it's folding over, I'm just going to mark it and just take the scissors and cut that little chunk out. Alright, so now with all the notches cut out, I'm going to take some glue and go along this edge here. I'm using 3M Super 77 multi-purpose adhesive, and it seems to work really good. So now I'm going to wait and have this tack up for about a minute. Alright, so now we can begin to fold it over. I'm just going to do it in little sections at a time. I'm going to pull it nice and tight. Now around these corners you might have to make little slits just to make the transition easier if you're having some difficulties. Now we can put the attachment bracket back into place. Simply pops in. So now if you have the mirror, you're going to have to set that into place. You want to pop it into place about now. But if you don't, like what here, we're basically going to fold it together, and hopefully if all these clips are nice and exposed, and they should clip back together. I'm actually going to rotate this little bracket thing to the outside. Right. I can just bring it together. And the clips should snap back together. Then we can take our little attachment thing and stick it on the other side of the hole. It should click in there like that. Now we're all done. Now we got a nice wrapped visor. Alright guys, that's it. We're all done. Doesn't that look a lot better than this old factory one? Now all you got to do is just reinstall it. You basically got 3 screws on this side, and then this side just clips right in. So make sure you guys check out my last video on how to install a headliner, and you can learn a lot from that. Replacing a headliner and wrapping a visor is really not hard at all, and it's really rewarding in the end. It looks really cool. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to the OutJeeping YouTube channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer. So until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.